doing today? I
Hi.
cannot believe that you all have agreed to come on this one frame. Okay, I am so happy and so grateful that you all have agreed to come and do this, because इतने टाइम से मॉडलिंग की फील्ड में with Fashion Week or with other projects I've been there, and इतने सारे aspiring models, they have so much that they all want to learn and know, and they just do not get the right place to go and ask for, because सब लोग इतना उनको गलत बोलते हैं, and they come back and they say, sir ऐसा बोला वैसा बोला, which is not the right case at all. So it is at home. Let's make it useful. By the way, Corona, how's it going? Candice is cooking.
Well, I take it in a positive stride, to be honest. अभी ये सोच के तो मैं 3 months के लिए sad तो नहीं रह सकती हूँ. So I've always been positive as a person since most of my friends know me.
Yeah.
And always,
Too positive.
always have this thing about always, how do you say, empty mind is a devil's workshop.
Yes.
So I always want to learn something. I always want to experiment things. So I used to. This has been 20 years that I complete now in this industry.
Wow.
So, Thank you, guys. So I always believe that there's so much more that we can offer, and there's so much more that we can learn, and never stop learning, no matter how young or old you are.
Fantastic.
So always take it
how is Corona going?
in my positive side.
Sorry?
Huh?
How is Corona going?
Corona,
Corona.
Corona should just go. I'm done with Corona.
Go Corona, go.
Go Corona, go. Honestly tired. In the beginning, I was like, okay, fine, meditation, and I'm going to know more of myself and center myself. I'm done centering. I'm done meditating. Now I want to start working. Enough. I just want to get back to work.
हो गया अभी सब सेटल हो गया.
हो गया.
Archana, how is it going for you?
Well,
person has
I
started
just
working.
had a fabulous holiday with a bunch of girlfriends just before the lockdown could
Wow.
start.
Wow.
So I went to Bali for I think about a week, and then after that,
we
the
all
whole
hate you
corona-
right now. We all hate you.
No, I'm sailing with Ashwita, but I traveled quite a bit before the lockdown. My birthday ended and then the lockdown started. So,
Our birthday.
Lucky you.
Yours and mine is the same time.
oh, sorry.
Correct.
Yeah. Listen here, Anjali,
Nisha.
and you all of us start speaking now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I was just at home after that.
Nisha,
Yeah, I mean,
how's the
had to
lockdown
stay.
going?
Yes, sir. It's just like I'm bored in my house, so I have my low exam, third year exam. So that is, I'm just putting my efforts to make third year. I can be top in my college. So I thought, okay,
That's
fine,
brilliant.
I
Wow.
can use
Wow.
my time.
Guys,
I
मैं
wish
आपको
you
बता
all
दूं,
the
निशा
best.
आज भी
Right
शूट कर रही है और शूट में अपना टाइम निकाल के आई है ये लाइव करने के लिए आप लोग से बात करने. Thank you so much, Nisha.
That's great.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure to talk to you guys.
Thank you. अंजलि जी, कैसा जा रहा है आपका लॉकडाउन?
I think like बुरा तो नहीं बोल सकते. Of course, like this tough time हम सबको बहुत सारी चीजें सिखा के गए हैं. वैसे तो like I like to stay at home. मुझे अगर काम हो तो काम करना अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन आजकल काम नहीं है, तो मैं अपना रूटीन अच्छे से फॉलो कर रही हूँ कि जो काम के बाद कभी शो होता तो अच्छे से रूटीन फॉलो नहीं कर पाती हूँ. मैं जल्दी सो जाती हूँ, 10 बजने से पहले मोबाइल ऑफ करती हूँ, उसके बाद 5 बजे या 6 बजे उठती हूँ, योगा करती हूँ एंड लाइक कुछ करती हूँ घर का काम. बस ऐसे ही, इतना बोरिंग नहीं है घर में रहना. बट अभी रिसेंटली आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग एवरीडे जर्नल और मैंने 2 डायरी खरीदे हैं. एक मेरा पास का स्टोरीज लिखने के लिए, एक अभी एवरीडे का. बस ऐसे चल
Very
रहा है.
good. क्या बात है.
Very good, Anjali.
रेहा कुछ सीख, 10 बजे सो जाती है. Janti, coming to you, how's the lockdown going?
I think it's good, as same as Candice told, that it's, I'm in a positive direction, and same, yeah, I have my pets and all. I'm always cleaning my house. Abhi iska kuch hota hai, kabhi uska. I have a huge OCD problem, so I just sit, मैं बैठती हूँ, and I see that थोड़ा सा वहाँ बाल गिरा है तो उसको फिर से साफ करो. And I'm cooking, and and I'm
बाल तो
cooking.
गिरता ही पता नहीं इतना बाल है सभी.
I know.
I have 4 pets. I have 4
क्या बात है?
Pets and
You are
yeah,
brave.
baal also.
So I'm cooking and all, and then making new things. I have started. I was watching all these TikTok videos and all how they make all these candles and soaps, and also I've started with all that.
Wow.
And
पोछा किसने
but
लगाया
yeah,
है? पोछा किसने लगाया है घर में?
सबसे ज्यादा मैंने लगाया
मेरा
है, for
हाथ
sure.
dry, यार, like, it's so dry. Like I can't tell you. I can't shoot now anymore. My hands are gone. Like ऐसे
मेरा तो एवरीडे मैं खुद से
धोए?
करती हूँ, मेरा कोई नहीं करता,
I've
बर्तन झाड़ू सब everything I do myself at my
I'm
home.
model made
No
it.
maid.
Same here, yeah.
I don't
कोरोना
get
कभी
paid
नहीं आएगा
also.
हाथ में. There is so much soap in our hands all the time. Like
Yeah,
all this
all the
water and
time.
all कभी नहीं आने वाला हाथ पे.
Exactly.
You know,
So guys,
I
you
feel
all are
like
listening, no? ये जितने भी जो हैं, मैंने उसमें भी लिखा था पोस्ट के अंदर भी लीडिंग मॉडल्स आज की डेट में भी अपने घर में सब बैठ के इंक्लूडिंग मी झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन
Yeah.
सब करती हैं.
Yes.
pretty good.
All rounder.
ऑलराउंडर है सारे.
rounder.
Okay, so ladies, so this was now, you know, I just want to come into the right point now. Modeling. One by one, if you can just tell me what has been your tenure as a model and what do you basically specialize in? Whether you are a ramp model, you are an editorial model, you are an advertising world model, are you a combination of that? What is it? So people kind of, when they listen to you, they know what you stand for in the modeling field. Starting with Janti.
Yes. Oh, what is
Okay, so I think I started with being a ramp model. I think back in 2015 I was a ramp model, and then I started going to editorials. I started doing all these magazine shoots and all. And but right now, from last 3 years, I would say I'm doing a lot of TV series and commercial work and all. So yes, it's I think I will say I'm a combination model, like a combined combination of everything. But yes, I really like my journey of how I started from a ramp model, but I really want to do ramp again. Like that's something that I always wanted to do. That's something that...
मैं आऊंगा. Before we go forward from Janti, I will just like to tell everybody, ये जो इतनी humbly बता रही है ना, मैं सिर्फ ads करती हूँ. थोड़े brands के नाम बता दूँ. Close Up, JK Malaya campaign, Rare Heritage, Tata Click, Irasva. Irasva ka to I think she's the face. Everywhere that Irasva comes as a full page, it's Janti's face. Studio West, NMR campaign, Lakme face wash, Carrot Lane. And I'm like, are you feeling anything, babes? Janti started with India's Next Top Model. And then she kind of took off. Very proud of you, Janti. Moving on to
Thank you.
Rekha.
So guys, my one hand only.
Reha.
Yeah, so I started in 2010, so it's been what, 10 years now?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Again.
But yeah, I'm not counting 2020 because we've done nothing.
Okay.
So 9 years.
9 years.
It's been 9 years.
Listen, we did Fashion Week in February. Don't lie.
But Feb, that was 2 months. And उसके बाद क्या?
But झाड़ू सफाई.
Start kiya मैं. Okay.
Yeah.
So Reha, you basically are only a ramp model, or you do campaigns as well?
I do ramp and I do campaigns and print shoots for designers.
Okay.
And yeah, these two are the things that I primarily do.
Okay. Now moving on to Anjali. Anjali, आप कैसे अपने आप को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे एज अ मॉडल? कितनी देर से आप मॉडल कर रही हैं और किस किस टाइप की मॉडलिंग करती हैं?
Well, मैंने मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट की थी 2009 में. उससे पहले तो मुझे मॉडलिंग क्या है, कहाँ से क्या, मतलब कुछ भी मालूम नहीं था. लाइक यू नो इट जस्ट हैपेंड टू मी. जब मैं गांव से शहर आई थी स्कूल फिनिश करके, तब तक मुझे मॉडलिंग का एम तक पता नहीं था. तो सब लोग बोलने लगे मॉडलिंग जैसे दिखते मॉडलिंग करने चाहिए. 2005 में फाइनली आई डिस्क्लोज माय आइडेंटिटी. देन कम्युनिटी सेंटर में जाके भी सब लोग बोलने लगे कि ट्राई करना चाहिए. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें? यू नो स्टार्टिंग में तो आई वाज लाइक वेरी मच स्ट्रगलिंग विद माय सेल्फ, विद माय आइडेंटिटी.
अंजलि, आप आइडेंटिटी बोल रहे हो, सॉरी, आप आइडेंटिटी बोल रहे हो, कैन यू प्लीज जस्ट टेल आइडेंटिटी?
या ट्रांसजेंडर, क्योंकि मैं जन्म हुआ एज अ लाइक मेल. तो 2005 से ही आई स्टार्टेड लाइक लिविंग इन दिस गेटअप और दिस वे, कि मैं पहले से तो फील करती थी आई फील लाइक अ वुमन फ्रॉम वुमन सोल. तो फाइनली आई डिस्क्लोज माय आइडेंटिटी इन 2005. देन फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने 2007 में ट्रांसजेंडर के ब्यूटी पैजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया. तो उसमें कुछ मतलब कुछ विन नहीं कर पाए, लेकिन बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला।
Wow.
देन फाइनली 2009 में एक नेपाल का नेशनल मैगजीन जिसने हम दो ट्रांसजेंडर को कवर गर्ल बनने का चांस दिया, तो देन ओनली आई डिसाइडेड टू बी अ मॉडल 2009 में। उसके बाद मॉडलिंग में आने के बाद ही पता चला कि मॉडलिंग में बहुत सारी कैटेगरीज होती है, फैशन मॉडल और कमर्शियल, ऐसे टीवीसी डिजाइनर्स बहुत सारे। तो धीरे धीरे लाइक आई स्टार्टेड देन।
तो आप अभी स्पेशलाइज
अभी आज यहाँ हूँ।
जहाँ तक मैं आपको जानता हूँ, आप मेजरली रैंप मॉडलिंग करती हैं।
यस, रैंप करती हूँ और कभी सम लाइक डिजाइनर्स सम ब्रांड्स का कैंपेन शूट भी करती हूँ और मैगजीन का। तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैं भी फैशन रैंप लीड करती हूँ, एंड आई लव टू बी रैंप मॉडल।
ओके, कमिंग टू निशा नाउ। निशा, जो कि आज कैंपेन शूट कर रही है।
Okay, so as maybe you guys know or maybe don't, so I have started my journey after India's Next Top Model, which is in 2018. So after that, I took almost 6 months break because, you know, I was very new and I was not having any contact that time. So I was in Mumbai and not having a single job for 6 months, and I locked myself in a room for 6 months. Then I left Mumbai because I thought, you know, my career has already gone and I will not come back. Then suddenly I got a message from Neeraj Gaba sir. That time Lakme Fashion Week was going on, and he said like, Nisha, you wanna come and there is a show, like if you wanna do extra show. So I said okay, fine. From there I have started my journey again, and where I met Smriti Irani, and then this is almost 1 year I'm working like
back to back.
Good, I can say.
Wow.
So now my journey has started, I can say.
मतलब, और मैं आप सब देखने वालों को ये भी बता दूं कि निशा की स्टोरी वैसे आप सब लोग जानते हो। निशा इज रियली, जैसे उनके इंट्रोडक्शन में भी लिखा है, शी इज द डॉटर ऑफ लैंड, शी इज अ फार्मर्स डॉटर। वो कहाँ से शुरू करके कहाँ पहुंच रही है, ये जर्नी जो है, और अभी धीरे धीरे निशा ने जहां तक मुझे बताया है, शायद वो इंटरनेशनल भी जाने वाली है। वो अभी इन लोगों से सबसे बात करेंगे। कमिंग टू अर्चना। अर्चना जी, हाँ बताइए।
So I basically started my modeling career, which wasn't a very serious career in my life because I've always been into sports and I wanted to like really get into like sports mainly, basketball and field hockey player. And also I was
nice.
You know, in my introduction I was you know, I told you I was a tomboy. Like I never knew anything about waxing, eyebrows, or even dressing up. You know, like you know, like studio penna and you know these things. So or even earrings. Like, you know, I've got like 3 earlobes, like 3 holes in my earlobes because
Not 3
holes in my earlobes because I used to never like to wear earrings, so they used to always close. And finally, I remember my mom like really being so irritated with me. Like she took me to the jeweler and got it pierced when I just finished my 10th grade. So I was like 15 years old then. So when I started, it was during, you know, in college, back in 2008. So I just did it like in college, and then in 2009, I started working with Prasad, and he did a few shows, and that's when I went my first trip. I got my passport and I went to Colombo for the Fashion Week for the first time, like ever that I did a Fashion Week was in Colombo in 2009. And then after that, I think a few designers from Mumbai came, and you know, they liked my walk. Sanchita Ajampur, who showcases in Delhi for Wills, which was then. All of them had taken part, and I think, you know, my contact went to a few choreographers and like IMG in Mumbai, and they called me and they asked me to come to audition in Mumbai, and that's how I got into Lakme.
And Archana, you are basically a ramp model, or you do, I mean, I know, but I want everybody else also to know, you do ramp model, and what else? What else do you do?
So I started off with only doing ramp, runway, mainly. That was my only driving force. I loved walking. So yeah. But then when I did fashion weeks, you know, there are a lot of editors as well as stylists, as well as magazines that are sitting and watching, you know, all the newcomers. And that's how I I got casted for a lot of editorial shoots.
Yeah.
So then I used to do editorial and runway. And then after that, when you do editorial, that's when you're exposed in magazines. And that's when designers approach you for their campaigns.
Yeah.
And that's how, one thing led to another. And
Yeah.
except for TVCs in India, I kind of,
That's why
Do
people
everything.
wrote to me,
Yeah.
That's why people wrote to me saying that Archana जैसे सब्यासाची का campaign करती है ना, हमें भी वैसा करना है. Just people putting it out there. Coming on to Candice now. Candice. Oh God, not Paul. You're waiting for your turn. How are you?
No, that's why I was going to start from the other way around, because then Mana will go there, only you have to write a story.
No.
My journey actually started when I was 16.
Wow.
Since my parents were always actually started in terms of, I've always been a all-rounder from school.
Yeah.
I used to be like very good in studies and sports and performing. So my parents always insisted I go to every beauty pageant that was around the vicinity. Started from being the area that I live in, Kurla, which actually sounds a bit funny, but I was Kurla Queen.
Oh, you miss Kurla?
Kurla, yeah, there was Kurla Queen. It used to be like a pageant.
Kurla Queen.
So I've actually won that also. So it started from my parents sent me for Look of the Year, Femina Look of the Year, which is one of the biggest pageants at that time. And I was actually rejected because they said I was overweight and you're still young. So they said you can still lose weight and come back.
Yeah.
And I was still doing my college at that time. I think I was in my junior college. And then again, my parents sent an application for the Glad Rags supermodel. That obviously got accepted.
Yeah.
So I won Glad Rags in 2000 and I was still finishing my college. Yeah, I was in my second year degree college. So by the time I got my degree in economics, I was trying to do my MBA. And then obviously I started getting job opportunities. So you know how the money is quite tempting. I still remember my first clip that I got for my shoot was $5,000, which 5,000 felt like 5 lakhs at that time.
And listen, that time 5,000 was a lot of money.
Yeah, it's Ella, yeah.
You know, the excitement of getting, receiving income at such a young age felt like a lot of money. So that whole thing about shuffling between doing my MBA and my shows started. But you know, when I started modeling, it was like 2 shows in the month, and the 2 shows felt like as if I'm doing like 20 shows in the month. I still look forward to doing those shows. So that's how my started. And I was obviously working with a very strong group of amazing set of supermodels.
Yeah.
What are you trying to say? These girls are not good?
No, we had very
Don't put words in your mouth.
Yes.
limited number of girls, and it was not like we had agencies. There was you girls were not really welcome so easily. If you had to go fashion week, the designer would ask for the garment. They will see if they want you.
If
It is
they
not
want
like
I agree.
Yeah.
if they want you.
Yeah.
So we had to be really good to fit into this bracket of 15 girls, and now we have like so many groups. There you had only like 2 groups of girls.
Yeah.
So you have to really fight. And then we had beauty pageants. So I won Glad Rags in 2000, and I won an international pageant, Miss Tourism Worldwide, in 2002.
Wow.
So I started my career basically after that.
Okay.
So it gave me an opportunity to finish my education, which I was looking forward to. I think it's so important to have a degree after studying for so many years of your life, at least at that time for me.
Yeah.
So I've done everything, name it. I've done music videos, I've done ads, I've done editorials. Editorials was big because that pageant holders were big.
Yeah.
So we always were on covers, we were always there, and you know, that's how it started. So over 20 years, I have seen like fashion change drastically. I wouldn't say for the worse, or it has its own pros and cons. If I start discussing it right now, it would be like quite a lengthy conversation we're having. So my journey has been
cool. So you've done everything. So that takes me, I will take your cue and I will go on to the next question.
Yes.
What does modeling mean to you? So
Now, modeling is something that started off as something that my mom wanted me to do, something that I never wanted to get into. I always wanted to study and you know that firsthand. You've been through that. You've literally been there at the very beginning. So even when it came to, she first tried with my brother and failed because he did not want to get into modeling. Then she's like, let me shift my focus to Reha. Let's see if she wants to. And she sent in my pictures for Miss Universe India. And thereafter, you know, you know.
Everybody,
So,
they should know.
yeah, I know. So no, that's where I met Neeraj for the very first time, and so I was the first runners up there.
Will not get into the story of why she was the first runner-up and not the winner.
No. Yeah.
Moving on.
Yeah. So yeah, like much like what Archana said, I was exactly like that. I was a tomboy,
Tomboy,
and
yeah.
I knew nothing about being a girl as such. Much less wearing heels and walking, and everyone around me was like professionals, and I just felt like a fish out of water.
Too nice for Reha.
Yeah.
You never have your shoe
But-
size either.
Oh, please. That's been going on
What?
for you, Reha, now they're bitching about you.
You can slap people
Okay,
with
I
that.
have big feet, and my shoe size is the problem. Okay, it's out there. Girls who want to know where I get my shoes from, if you have big feet, get in touch with me. DM me on Instagram. Okay, moving on.
Okay, moving on to Nisha. Nisha, what does modeling mean to you?
For me, like it's a food for me. Like I cannot survive without food, and it's like I cannot survive without modeling because
पिछले एक साल में आपके ऊपर इतना बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस हो गया इस मॉडलिंग वर्ल्ड का. Good. I will bring that up later on. Very good. Say, Archana.
So basically, I used to be an introvert. Like I used to not talk a lot, and I used to always be in my little cocoon in school. And modeling, what has brought out of me was a confidence to face people, confidence to talk, confidence to face a large gathering. For a lot of people, it might be very overwhelming to face a large crowd, especially whether be it, a shoot set or like a runway or like why even this interview, like I would be so scared to even like answer a question in class. But this has definitely opened up my my personality. So I think modeling, what it means to me is that it brought about such a change and positive change in my personality that I think I can face the world right now. It's given me so much of confidence.
Wow. See, we have all heard now the good bits of modeling, but I know and you all know कि इस अच्छाई के पीछे there is a lot more that happens behind the scenes that does not need. I would like to get onto that now, and there is no better to talk about it than Candice. So many things that normally people do not know. Good things we all have heard because it's all flash, it's all outside. What
Is it though?
real modeling career? Now tell me that.
First, people need to know what the definition of modeling is all about. First, it comes from the first term. Model means a different kind of form or a shape or how you picture or you mold something out. So when you consider yourself a model, first you have to be very passionate about what you do. Secondly, you need to know that, give yourself 5 years and see how you fare in this industry. Because if I had to say this 10 years ago, things were a little more contained. Now it's a little more widespread. You have agencies, you have contacts, you have people influencing each other. It's more like a herd mentality. If one person is picked up from the crowd, that person is only pushed, and they forget the remaining 9 people in the crowd. So things have changed. So you have to play your cards really well. You always have to have a backup plan. When I say backup means you need to be good in not just being a model. I'm not saying not to focus on it, but you also need to know, give yourself a chance to learn and experience other things. You might you have a lot of great commercial faces. People love doing ramp, but if I had a face which could mold into 100 things, out of opted for something more as well. But that time everything was very limited. Now the choices are more, so you have to be a little more fast in thinking. So as I said, that you have to really use your head and have very few friends and family around you to give you the right advice, and always ask for help if you are in doubt about anything.
Yeah.
So when I was saying something that does not meet the eye, I actually was asking for something behind the scenes. People see what is all nice and glossy, what comes printed, what walks on the ramp and all that. I want to understand you as models, you all are experienced models. You all have experienced that backstage, you all have experienced that preparation. Because there are many things there that are not very nice and cordial. I want those realities to be shared. Reha, Anjali, I'll say करता हूँ आपकी तरफ. जब आप as a transgender model आई, ठीक है? रैंप पे तो जब आप चले, आप अकेले चले, वो आपने अपना काम किया. उसमें कोई कुछ कर नहीं सकता है. when you entered that backstage area as a transgender model, how were you made to feel? How was life then?
आई थिंक जब स्टार्टिंग में मैं फैशन वीक कर रही थी तो मेरा लाइफ में मैंने मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट की थी 2009 में. तो मैंने फैशन वीक यहाँ इंडिया में आके लैक्मे फैशन वीक से स्टार्ट की थी. तो मुझे फैशन वीक का कोई नॉलेज नहीं था. व्हेन आई वेंट टू बैक स्टेज आई वाज लाइक लिटिल नर्वस एंड थोड़ा सा डरा हुआ, थोड़ा सा एक्साइटेडमेंट भी थी क्योंकि मैंने कभी लाइफ में फैशन वीक नहीं की थी. मेकअप के बाद जो ड्रेस चेंज करते आई वाज लाइक लिटिल बिट like uncomfortable myself being a transgender. सब लोग किसी का परवाह नहीं है कि कौन कैसे कपड़े बदल रहे, कौन किसका क्या, कोई देखने का चांस नहीं, मतलब होता नहीं है. तो आई वाज अ लिटिल बिट, मैं ऐसे शर्मा के इधर से किसी का कोई नहीं, जस्ट हैप्पी लाइक हमें स्टेज में जाना है, टाइम पे पहुंचे, वहां जाके अपना परफॉर्मेंस देना है. कि मैं आई वाज अ लिटिल बिट, कोई नंगा है, कोई क्या है, किसी का परवाह, जस्ट जल्दी करो देन भागो. दैट वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, आई वाज लाइक एंजॉयिंग एवरी मोमेंट.
मैं अंजलि के साथ थी. I've also been with Arsha in the first fashion week. So I've been with some of the girls in their first fashion week. And I've always, I know Anjali was quite nervous because उसने पहले कभी कपड़े बदला नहीं था इतनी लड़कियों के सामने, but she was a little conscious. Even the designers giving her clothes, and she has a great body, so designers used to give her clothes and she was really uncomfortable. But actually it took a while, and I also told her that if you're uncomfortable, tell the designer, they will understand. So it took her a while, but she was a little hesitant.
Wow. So Nisha, जब कोई मॉडल बनना चाहता है तो उनको आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे? क्या क्या उनको प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए अपने आप को मेंटली और फिजिकली?
फर्स्ट थिंग तो ये कि अपने आप को पहले एग्जामिन करो कि वेदर यू आर लिटरली योर बॉडी, योर सोल और माइंड लिटरली वांट्स टू बी ए मॉडल, और जस्ट ये बाहर की जो दुनिया है इसमें तुम्हें देख के अच्छा लगता है कि ओ वाओ मॉडल ऐसे ग्लैमरस लाइफ जीते हैं, या सिर्फ ये अट्रैक्ट करता है, या लिटरली आप में वो एक है पैशन या फिर बॉडी लैंग्वेज और सब कुछ चीजें. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड, आप उसके साथ साथ अपनी बॉडी, अपना हेल्थ, अपना मेंटल लेवल, हर एक चीज सेट करके रखो. फैमिली आपके लिए बहुत मैटर करती है क्योंकि बीइंग ए मॉडल, आई एम वेरी फ्रैंकली सेइंग, अभी तक मुझे एक साल में कोई फ्रेंड नहीं मिला है इस इंडस्ट्री में. तो एक ऐसा मोड आता है इस टाइम में कि जब यू रियलाइज लाइक यू आर वेरी फार फ्रॉम योर फैमिली एंड यू डोंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. So at the end you feel like alone. तो तुम अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहोगे, एटलीस्ट उनसे बातें करोगे, उनको डिस्कस करोगे, उनको बताओगे कि what you are suffering right now, what you are facing and how things are going on. So second thing, family and very frank and बहुत एफर्ट करने पड़ते हैं क्योंकि हम इंडिया वालों में ज्यादा बहुत कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं कि मॉडल तो ऐसे होती हैं, मॉडल्स तो ये होती हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है. डिपेंड करता है पर्सन टू पर्सन. हर जगह ऐसे लोग होते हैं और हर जगह ऐसे अच्छे भी होते हैं और हर जगह ऐसे होते हैं, पर आप कैसे, ये मैटर करता है.
बोलो.
हाँ, एक सेकंड. जैसे अभी आपने बोला, कैंडिस ने बोला कि एक बैकअप प्लान जरूर रखना चाहिए होता है. तो मैं अभी लॉयर हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि कल मेरा कोई एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है और कुछ भी हो जाता है तो एटलीस्ट आई कैन I can earn something to survive.
Reha, now Nisha spoke about the mental bit of it. You, I know, are a great physical transformation story because. So please talk about that. Please talk about how important and what made you go through that change.
See, when you're in a pageant, automatically, when you're going through grueling training, be it in terms of ramp walk and etiquettes and makeup and hair, it is something that you learn as a byproduct of the entire experience. Whether you like it or you're not, you learn it. You leave with you for life. That confidence that allows you to stand up in front of a crowd and speak. You know, public speaking has been one of my major problems. And having said that, the pageant helped with that. The pageant helped with me walking tall, with me owning my height and loving my height as opposed to being embarrassed about it.
How tall are you?
I'm 6'1".
Okay.
Yeah. So as a tall girl, and I know girls who are like about 5'7", 5'8", they speak about being tall and they're like, "Arey, aapse milne to pehle, I used to think I was the tallest." Like I have heard, not everyone.
Same here.
So all tall girls have faced low confidence in their life because all their friends are much shorter than them. and you're constantly slouching. You're made to feel like that. You're made to feel like an alien. You're called names such as, like Ashoka ki pear and giraffe and all of that, which
Yeah.
even I'm called today, but I'm called with love from my friends, and it doesn't affect me. It affected me mentally back then.
Yeah.
Today, I'm extremely proud of who I am. My height is something I can do nothing about, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my USPs,
Exactly.
in fact.
Exactly.
Yeah, and modeling has taught me that. Modeling has helped with that. It has made me proud of my height. It's the only industry where I was told not to slouch,